Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whenever you're watching this video. Now, I am here to teach you how to download items or how to shop from CSEC English Made Easy Shop. Now, I'm going to click on the link for the home page. And when I click on the link for the home page, the actual entire CSEC English Made Easy site is going to come up. Once again, because I'm recording, my computer is a little slower than what the site will actually be. So at the top of CSEC English, the dashboard, I love to call it the dashboard, you see the word shop. So I want you to click on the word shop. Once again, the shop it's loading. It's taking a little while. So we're on the shop page, and here you see shop, and here indicates that you're at the shop, and you scroll down. Now there are items in the shop that are 0 rated. So even if you're not a member of the shop and you want to download something, you can click here and it says low to high and click enter. Well, once you click low to high, it starts to load and it will show you all the items that's 0 rated. For this instance, we're going to use one of these items. So I'm going to shop here. So I'm click on basket and I'm going to this is nice. Or if I don't want to directly send it to basket, I'm going to click on it right here and click on this link right here, and the product is going to open. And basically all of our products describes what exactly is in the product, and if you want, after purchasing, you can leave a review. So let me go to my shopping cart because I've sent a couple of things. Oh, click this as well. All right, so I've clicked here, right here, and this is my shopping cart. So I have 2 items here, and the quantity is 1 each. So you can check to ensure you have 1 of each. You don't need to download multiple quantities because once you download the document, you download the document. If you are a CSEC English Pro user, this is where your coupon code is going to go, and then you press apply, and depending on the cost of the item, then the item will go to $0. So because I'm using free items to download this, I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. Now I'm at checkout, and the checkout, you fill in your information and you have here so you have your items and you click here the terms and conditions of the website. So once you click here, if you don't click here, it's going to prompt you to click. So I'm not going to scroll up too much, but at the top you fill in your data and then you click the permission, the agreement, and you place your order. So once you place your order, this is something that I really enjoy because you place your order and you're able to click here, and when you click here, your item will right here. Notice it is automatically downloaded to your device. And if I press here again, same thing happens. It's automatically downloaded to your device. Then you click here and you're able to open your item. Your item comes up. Now, one thing I need to say to you is that here, you click here and you click here. Now, what if for some reason I am not on this page and for whatever reason I'm lost? Then the next step is to go to your email. So now I've gone ahead and I've gone into my email. So the site sent me an email right here and it says CSEC English Made Easy. And here I have a receipt. Thank you for your order. And when I scroll down, I see the product here, and it says never expired. However, for some of our items, you can only download them probably once, twice, or 3 times. However, that should not be a problem because as you can see here, the item is downloaded to whatever device you're using, and so the important thing is that you need to save the item. So once you save the item, it doesn't matter whether you can download it once or twice, you should always have access to the item. So right here again, I have a link. And just in case I have, for whatever reason, my page that I had before here, I can't access it, I go to my email right here and I click on it again and it's right here and I can download it again. Now please bear in mind that after a while, although it says never expire, after a while, depending on the amount of downloads, the link can expire, and so you have to bear that in mind. So simply put, that is our overview of how you can order from the CSEC English Made Easy shop. Thank you very much, and I appreciate your view. Have a good day, and if you have not clicked on the notification bell, please do so. You will be able to see a notification whenever we post a new video. Bye bye.